Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the most important Blender basics every beginner should know. So, if you're new to 3D and feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's start by duplicating an object. To do that, select the object, press Shift+D. The object is duplicated. Now to join them. Select both the object by holding Shift. Press Ctrl+J. The both now joined. To separate both the object. Click on an object, obviously both will be selected. Go to Edit Mode, select all by pressing A. Now press P. Select the option Loose Parts in the drop-down. They both are now separated. You'll encounter an issue when coloring the objects. If you try to color one object, both will end up being colored the same way. To fix this and allow them to be colored separately, you need to fully separate the objects. Here's how: go to the Object menu, scroll down to Relations, and select Make Single User. Then choose the Object and Data and Materials option. Now, go to the Materials tab and change the color of one object. You'll see that they are now completely separated, and each object can be colored differently. That's it. Alright, that's it for this part. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This was just part 1, so stick around, more parts are coming soon. And if you've got any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below, I'll try to help out. See you in the next one.